12th science topic. 12th science topic. Here, firstly, we see D block element. हम देखेंगे अभी डेफिनेशन क्या है डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स का. These are the elements. These are the elements in which last electron enters the d orbital of the penultimate cell. Of the penultimate cell, that is n minus 1, that is d orbital, where n is the outer cell. इसका मतलब है डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट की जो डेफिनेशन है वो ये है कि these are the elements in which last electron enters the d orbital of the penultimate cell, that is n minus 1 cell, and the orbital is d orbital, where n is the outer cell. इसका मतलब है जो हमारा एलिमेंट है उसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा, उसमें जो लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन एंटर होगा वो डी ब्लॉक में होगा. सच ऐसे एलिमेंट्स को हम बोलते हैं डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट. अभी हम देखेंगे डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट का एग्जाम्पल्स. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज द स्कैंडियम 21. स्कैंडियम हैज़ एटॉमिक नंबर 21 which has electronic configuration, that is first electron enters in 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. Here the last electron is enter in the 3d1, and the penultimate cell, that is n minus 1. Here n minus 1 cell, that is n is the 4, and n minus 1 cell, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3, and last electron is enter in 3d orbitals. So the D block elements are the elements in which last electron enters in 3d or d orbital, and the cell is called as penultimate cell, that is n minus 1 cell. Next is the transition elements. Transition elements these are the elements shows their properties are intermediate between the highly electropositive s block elements and highly electronegative p block elements. Such type of elements are called as transition element. So अब हम देखते हैं ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स किसको बोलते हैं. ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स आर द एलिमेंट्स विच शोज देयर प्रॉपर्टीज आर इंटरमीडिएट. इसका मतलब है इन बिटवीन हाईली इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव s orbital and highly electronegative p block element. So such elements are in between s block element and highly electronegative p block element. Such elements are called as transition elements. So D blocks are also called transition elements. D blocks are also called as transition element. इसका मतलब है डी ब्लॉक के एलिमेंट को भी ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स बोलते हैं, क्योंकि वो जो एलिमेंट है वो प्रॉपर्टीज जो शो करते हैं वो इंटरमीडिएट है इन बिटवीन हाईली इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एस और एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट एंड हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स. These are the transition element. Next, we see the definition of transition element. Transition elements are defined as those elements which have partly or incompletely filled n-1 d orbital in their common oxidation state. So ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स की और एक डेफिनेशन है, वो ये है कि ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स है वो एलिमेंट्स है जिनमें जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं वो पार्टली फील्ड और इनकम्प्लीटली फील्ड डी ऑर्बिटल्स होते हैं. उन एलिमेंट को हम बोलते हैं ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स. Here, next is the exception case of transition elements. Exception of transition element: zinc, cadmium, Hg and UUB. These are elements are exception of transition element because they have completely filled n-1 orbital. Such type of elements are called transition element in which partly or incompletely filled n-1 d orbital in their common oxidation state. But the exception of transition elements are zinc, cadmium, Hg and UB. These elements are which has n-1 completely filled orbital, but they show transition elements properties. So these elements, zinc, cadmium, such type of element, they have completely filled n-1 orbital, that is detained in their elementary state as well as in the form of ions. However, the last electron, however, the last members, that is zinc, cadmium, Hg of D series are considered as transition elements in their chemical behavior. Is similar to transition element, though the element, that is zinc, cadmium and Hg of D series are considered as transition elements because their chemical behavior is similar to the transition element. Because their chemical behavior is similar to transition element, so they are also called as transition element, though they have completely filled n-1 d orbital. Next is we see 4 series of transition element. There are 4 series of transition elements. There are 4 series of transition element in the long form of periodic table. They are called as 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D series corresponding to filled 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D orbital of n minus 1 main cell. So there are 4 series of transition elements like 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. These are the 4 series of ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स. इसका मतलब है ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट जो है उनके सीरीज 4 है, 3D सीरीज, 4D सीरीज, 5D सीरीज एंड 6D सीरीज. 3D सीरीज के एलिमेंट्स लाइक है स्कैंडियम, फ्रॉम स्कैंडियम टू जिंक. सो वी सी next part in the next video. Thank you for the watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.